भोला भटका बहुत दिनन का, भोला भटका ले ले श्री माँ चरण तिहारे। आया हूँ दरबार तुम्हारे, आया हूँ दरबार तुम्हारे। निर्मल नाम पतित पावन है, बहुदिश गावत सब सहजन है। निर्मल नाम पतित पावन है, बहुदिश गावत सब सहजन है। इस अमृत से पावन होने, इस अमृत से पावन होने, ले ले श्री माँ चरण तिहारे। आया हूँ दरबार तुम्हारे, आया हूँ दरबार तुम्हारे। तेरे प्यार का रसता, निर्मल छाव की ठंडी फुहर में, निर्मल छाव की ठंडी फुहर में, ले ले श्री माँ चरण तिहारे। आया हूँ दरबार तुम्हारे, आया हूँ दरबार तुम्हारे। बड़े तुमसे मन लागा, अंतर आत्मा तब से जागा। भाग बड़े तुमसे मन लागा, अंतर आत्मा तब से जागा। सहज कहे सुन अर्ज हमारे, सहज कहे सुन अर्ज हमारे, ले ले श्री माँ बहुत दिनन का भूला भटका, बहुत दिनन का भूला भटका, मेरे श्री माँ चरण तिहारे, आया हूँ दरबार तुम्हारे, आया हूँ दरबार तुम्हारे।
ஜெய்ஷ் மாதாஜி, அனைவருக்கும் காலை வணக்கம். அன்னையை வணங்கி குண்டலனி எழுப்பி பந்தனிட்டுக் கொள்வோம். மூன்று மந்திரங்கள். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, தயவு செய்து எங்களுடைய இதயத்தில் வாருங்கள். அன்னையே, எங்களுடைய வருகையானது எங்களுடைய இதயங்களை பரிசுத்தமாக்கட்டும். தாயே, தாங்கள் தூய ஆத்மா என்பதை உணர்கிறோம். தங்களுடைய கருணையால் சுயம் குருவாகி நாங்கள் எங்களுடைய குற்ற உணர்வுகளை மறந்து எங்களுக்குள் தூய அறிவை தாருங்கள் அன்னையே. இரு கைகளும் பூமியின் மீது இருக்கட்டும். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, தங்களுடைய கருணையால் இன்றைய தியானத்தில் எங்களுடைய சக்கரங்களையும் நாடிகளையும் ஸ்தூல சரீரத்தையும் பரிசுத்தமாக்குங்கள். இந்த பூமி தாயினை கொண்டு தங்களுடைய திருநாமத்தில் தியானம் செய்வதை அனுமதி அளித்து எங்களை தகுதியுள்ளவர்களாக மாற்றுங்கள் அன்னையே. பூமி தாயே, தங்கள் மீது பாதம் பதித்து நடப்பதற்கு எங்களை மன்னியுங்கள். இடது கை அன்னையை நோக்கி இருக்கட்டும், வலது கை தொடர்ந்து பூமியின் மீது இருக்கட்டும். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, எங்களை பாதிக்கும் எல்லா வகையான இடா நாடி தொடர்புடைய எல்லா எதிர்மறை சக்திகளையும், நோய்களையும், மனக்கவலைகளையும், குழப்பங்களையும் பூமி தாயின் வழியாக முழுவதுமாக ஈர்த்துக் கொள்ளுங்கள். ஸ்ரீ கணேச அதர்வசிஷம். கண்களை மூடி இடது கை அன்னையை நோக்கி இருக்கட்டும், வலது கை பூமியில் இருக்கட்டும்.
श्री गणेश अथर्व शीर्षम। ओम नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानुचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवाधरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नलो नीलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वम् इन्द्रस्त्वम् अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरों गणादिं पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादिं तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारपरतरः अर्धेन्दुलसितं तारेण ऋद्धम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपं गकारः पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वारश्चान्त्यरूपं बिन्दुरुत्तररूपं नादसन्धानं संहिता सन्धिः सैषा गणेशविद्या गणकऋषिः निच्छृद्गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता ॐ गं गणपतये नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात् एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणं रदञ्च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृते पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्तेऽस्तु लम्बोदरायैकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
இரு கைகளும் அன்னையை நோக்கி இருக்கட்டும். நம்முடைய கவனம் சகஸ்ராரத்தில் இருக்கட்டும். எண்ணங்கள் ஏதேனும் வந்தால் நான் மன்னிக்கிறேன் தாயே, நான் மன்னிக்கிறேன் என்று சொல்லுங்கள். எண்ணங்கள் அற்ற நிலையில் தியானம் செய்வோம். வலது கை அன்னையை நோக்கி இருக்கும்போது இடது கை நம்முடைய வலது சுவாதிஸ்தானத்தில், வலது காலும் உடலும் சேரும் இடத்தில். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, தயவு செய்து என்னுடைய கவனத்தினுள் வாருங்கள். என்னுடைய கவனத்தை மேம்படுத்துங்கள். என்னுடைய ஆத்மாவின் பிரகாசமான ஒளியானது என்னுடைய கவனத்தில் பட்டு என்னுடைய கவனமானது தூய்மை அடையட்டும். தேவையற்ற விஷயங்களில் கவனம் சென்று என்னுடைய சக்திகள் விரயமாக வேண்டாம். என்னுடைய ஆத்மாவின் மீது என் கவனம் நிலையாக இருக்கட்டும். அன்னை, தங்களுடைய பொற்பாதங்களில் என் கவனம் இருக்கட்டும். என்னுடைய கவனம் எங்கு இருந்தால் என்னுடைய சக்திகள் பெருகுமோ அந்த இடத்தில் இருக்கட்டும். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, தேவையற்ற எண்ண ஓட்டங்களை குறைத்து என்னுடைய கவனத்தை சாந்தப்படுத்துங்கள். தாங்களே எண்ணங்களற்ற ஸ்ரீ நிர்விச்சாரா. இடது கை அன்னை நோக்கி இருக்கட்டும். வலது கை நம்முடைய இடது சுவாதிஸ்தானத்தில், இடது காலும் உடலும் சேரும் இடத்தில். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, தங்களுடைய கருணையால் எனக்கு தூய அறிவை நல்குங்கள். தெய்வீக ஞானத்தை எனக்குள் முழுமையாக தாருங்கள். தேவையற்ற எல்லா வகையான அறிவுகளையும் என்னிடமிருந்து போக்கி என்னை பரிசுத்தமாக்குங்கள். மெதுவாக இரண்டு கைகளும் அன்னை நோக்கி இருக்கட்டும். கவனம் நம்முடைய சகஸ்ராரத்தில். எண்ணங்கள் வந்தால் மீண்டும் மீண்டும் நான் மன்னிக்கிறேன் என்று கூறி வாருங்கள். அன்னையுடைய ஒரு அருள்மொழி கேட்டு தியானம் செய்வோம்.
So that human beings should be destroyed. It is, they say the designers. I say it's nothing designers or anything. But is there aggressive force, the negative force which works on you, and who saves you is the mother on the left side. She has got 7 curtains, 7 boundaries. She doesn't want you to cross over. But human beings say, why not? Why not me? If they have gone to hell, I'll also go to hell. All right. That's being made already for you. So go ahead. So that's why she creates the Bhranti. Because some people have to go out of this circulation, out of this evolution process. Let them go out. This is the last judgment, all right. That's how you will be judged. By your own stupidity, you will be judged. I have told so many Sahajogis something small, that you must put some oil in the night, morning time you wash. But they don't do it. But by doing that, what happens is that you soothe yourself, you sleep well. Oiling is a very good thing. We need it, all of us. Especially in this cold weather, we need it. But they won't put. They neglect themselves. Because they think they are Sahajogis, they are protected, mother can oil them. It's not so. You have to look after yourself. As far as your body is concerned, your mind is concerned, you are responsible for your body. With Sahaja Yoga, you will understand what's wrong with you, what you are doing wrong. I mean, I tell you some things which are very important, but to you may not be, but you should try that. As it is, you are realized souls, your spirit is there, you can feel the vibrations, and you can understand what's wrong with the person. Mostly what I've seen, now it's much less, that people only informed me always about people who are possessed. Mother, such and such person is possessed. Mother, this person has got this person. Yeah, I said, but throw them out, that's all. Why do you want me to bother about them? Just throw them out. Then after going out of Sahaja Yoga, they will realize, then they will say, Mother, we don't want to go out of Sahaja Yoga. Why? Because they know that now they are completely away from reality and from safety. So they want to come back. Those who can come back can come back. But those who should not come back should never come back. Because they are so mad that they'll create a fashion of madness. People can get influenced by that. So to get influenced by others is not a sign of a Sahaja Yoga. He can influence others. But how does he get influenced by others? But for Sahaja Yoga. Sahaja Yoga is the discriminating power. Who has given you this? It's the Kundalini. So this Kundalini, which is your mother, the one which is now in your triangular bone, also gives you all the qualities and all the beauties of your being. Now, of course, I have told you so many things about Kundalini that I need not tell you. But she also can correct the left side. Some people have a habit of all the time crying and weeping over, I don't know. Every time you meet them, they are in tears. What has happened? Mother, this has happened, that has happened, all that. They write letters after letters to me, telling about their woes, their troubles, and this and that. Baba, you are Sahaja Yogis now. Now you are in the Garden of Eden. You are in the heavens. Why are you thinking about all the hellish things which are not important? Why? Because you haven't got your individuality as that. Now, as Sahajogis, you have to develop your discrimination of understanding what others are. Also about yourself. Why do you hanker after things? Try to understand. What is so great about it? Why do you want to do it? Question yourself. Is it some possession? Is it some fashion? Or is it your individual feeling? So, I'm trying to tell you that this left side of yours is so protective. At the same time, if you are very aggressive about your left side, you are thrown from one to another into hell. And then you suffer. So, you must understand. Your wisdom should be there, which you can develop very much with the help of the left side. Wisdom can be very well developed. Now there's somebody, say, a Sahajogi, so-called, and he is absolutely aggressive, money-oriented, deceitful, and you get into his trap. In Hindi we call it chakkar, and that's chakkar. And once you get involved into that, you go on drifting. Still your left side will protect, up to a point. But if you are too much of it, it throws you. Go, get out. Now the time has come for all of us to understand that you are all Sahajogis and you have a very big responsibility. Very, very big responsibility that you should do what your enlightened conscience tells you. Take your enlightenment and live under that light and don't jump in the darkness. And by that, you will also understand who is the right person, who is not the right person. Even in Sahaja Yoga, this negativity can work. It works. And one should not get involved into any negative thoughts of others or negative doing of others. It's a warning today I wanted to give you all. Because you people are very much there to enjoy. Look after your attention. Where does it go? There are so many beautiful things. See the flowers, so beautiful. See these things they have made so beautiful. It makes my heart jump with joy. While some people don't even notice. The other day I asked somebody who had made that flower ornament, which flower? I said, the one that was there. Which one? So I told the names of the flowers. We never saw. Where were you looking? But that you couldn't see the flowers. Because your eyes are so stupid that they cannot see the beauty. They are engulfed with all kinds of negative things. So the goddess has to kill all the Rakshasas. I don't know how many she has killed, and again they are back. And again people are being trapped. This is going on. So these Rakshasas are there, and you have to pinpoint them. And tell people, where are you going? He's a Rakshas. What he has done? What has he achieved? Now you should talk like that. Openly. So you can save many people who are going to these Rakshasas, who are coming in such clothes that you cannot make them out. They will be destroyed one by one. But when they are in the heart of so many people, how can we destroy them? So it is for you people to tell them what these Rakshasas are doing. I know their tricks. But the worst part is that the human beings fall into their tricks. So you have to be very self-understanding. Ask always the question, why? Why am I attracted to this? What is the gain? Ask yourself this question. You will find that after coming to Sahaja Yoga, you have gained so much. So now why have this false idea? Why go after false things, negative things? That's what Sahaja Yogis have to do. Because not that they are responsible for others, they are responsible for themselves also. Now the sweetest thing said about her is that she gives you the Shraddha. Shraddha, we can translate it as faith. To have faith rightly, not wrongly. People take full advantage if you have wrong faiths. But faith is very important. That she gives also. And that's very joy-giving. The faith is very joy-giving. But when the incarnations lived, nobody believed in them. They had no faith in them. Christ they crucified. Nobody stood up to say, why are you crucifying him? All of them. Nobody could have that faith to stand up. They may fight for their own country, they may fight for their religion or all nonsense, but that this man is really the truth. He is the one who is an incarnation, nobody will see. So yesterday I was stunned to see the drama they have shown. I mean, I couldn't face myself, I should say. Though it's the truth, of course, I agree. But I couldn't face myself. I'm too humble to accept such a thing. And it's very ingenious, it's very great to create such a drama. And of all the things, first I had said that the English have such a sense of drama. They had people like Shakespeare and all that. And the way they were producing dramas, I couldn't understand. But this one was the last word on perfection. So much so that I couldn't say a word about it. I was just stunned. The truth that they have propounded. But in my lifetime, you will have no doubts if you have some sense in you. Because so many miracles are taking place. Today only somebody told me somebody had cancer, ulcer and all kinds of things. And after Sahaja Yoga, she went to the hospital, she had nothing. All such miracles are taking place. Leave alone. Also there are, never have happened like this, that there are photographs of mine where you see, it's remarkable. Even the scientists are surprised at it, how these photographs are coming. Actually, there was Sri Ganesha standing behind it. Actually, only in one camera it came. So just to you people to have faith. Because when the person is not there, like Christ is no more, now everybody is going to church. Sri Rama is not there, so they are all singing his praise. Sri Krishna is not there, so they are Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. So when there is Sakshat, when that is before you, you don't accept. Because perhaps you don't believe you can deserve it, perhaps. Or maybe it is, I don't know, human beings, very difficult to understand them. When you are standing before them, they don't believe. When you are no more, then they will believe. It's a very funny thing, isn't it? All throughout, if you see the history of spirituality, this has been going on. And Jnanadeva showed some miracles. Still, only the wise, only the sensible could understand and believe it. And there are so few that as a result, such people are crucified, killed, or done. They have tried that with me. But in this life, I have come in all forms, and nobody can destroy me unless and until I want to finish myself. No one can. The powers are of love, affection, compassion, but also there's a power which completely corrects other people. So, to you people not to have faith in Sahaja Yoga shows complete blankness. You have seen the photographs. You have seen everything. You have known the miracles. It has happened to you. You have the experience of Sahaja Yoga. Despite that, your faith is so weak. She is the one who gives you faith. So you have to praise her. You have to fall at her feet. You have to worship her and ask her, "Oh Mother, give us that faith." And with this faith, you'll be amazed. Any person who has this kind of a faith, he tells me, "Mother, please do this." It happens. It just happens. Such right they have got to ask for anything. It works out. But first, your faith should be solid. Faith should be real. If it is real and if it is deep, you can achieve whatever you want. Not wrong, but good things. And so, try to develop that faith. And as a faith gives you such joy and happiness, you get committed. You get involved. And don't want to get out of it. So, the greatest thing, the blessing of the left side is the faith. Faith which is pure. Faith can be translated as, we can say, Vishwas. But not. Faith is Shraddha. Shraddha means something that is within, which has no doubts, which has no doing as such, it's just there. So you should now develop faith about yourself and about Sahaja Yoga. If your faith is strong, you will see many miracles also. But with miracles, with everything, still if you don't understand, then it is your discretion. May God bless you.
ஜெயஸ்ரீ மாதவி தொடர்ந்து தியானத்தில் இருக்கும். ஜெயஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி அன்னையை வணங்கி அன்னைக்கு நன்றி உரைத்து குண்டலினி எழுப்பி பந்தனிட்டுக் கொள்வோம்.